Looks like we are live here. Hey. Sarabjit Sandhu here from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and I'm going to share on couple of places. Then I am going to give out my Monday tip today. Replayers watching, drop one if you liked my Monday tip. I'm gonna share on couple of places now, and then I will continue. I'm going to share in my group, and if any friend is hopping on, you can share it for me. And I guess Facebook is building me some audience. So what is my Monday tip today? Replayers watching, everybody, if you agree, then drop one for me in the comment. Even if you are watching live or you are watching replay, just drop one. Thank you for joining, and thank you for the hearts, Jazz. So I'm going to introduce myself one more time. Sarabjit Sandhu here from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com. I'm talking to you from my home office live. How is your day going, Jazz? Good morning, Ji. It's a beautiful day over here. So my question today is, what is my Monday tip? I'm going to give out my Monday tip. Okay, let's start. My Monday tip today for today is start and focus with one thing. Sometimes we wake up and we feel overwhelmed, and we have a lot of things to do, and we do not know what to do. Even though we try to do things, and then at the end of the day we see that we did not accomplish anything. I mean, we woke up with a list of so many things, and at the end of the day we did not really accomplish anything. We were jumping from one thing to another, one task to another task, and really nothing got done at the end of the day. You know what was the reason for that? Because when we are overwhelmed, we are paralyzed. We have like more than 2 or 3 or 4 things or tasks to do, or more than that, then we feel overwhelmed and we feel paralyzed, and we start but we do not finish anything, and at the end of the day we look at it and we did not accomplish anything. So if you start and focus only one thing, focus with one thing, and then you soon you will see that you finish that task, because you focused on that. No matter how much time it took, no matter it took you from morning to evening, you finish that task. So start with one task, and then maybe when you finish that, then you can feel like doing the next task. So my tip for today is focus and start with one thing. If you are feeling overwhelmed, if you are feeling like you have too much to do, then start with one thing, and soon you will see you will be able to concentrate on that one task, and you will finish doing it, and then you can start doing the next one. So if you agree, drop one for me. So today I am going to focus on one thing right now. be answering all the questions regarding the Branding View University. I have lots and lots of messages. So today I am focusing on one thing, answering all the questions regarding Branding View University. If you have any question, you can just drop in the comments. I'll be answering that. I have many messages. So I'll be finishing and concentrating on that task first. And let us see tomorrow if how many tasks I then finished accomplishing. Then I will update you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the heart. Yes. So that was my tip for today. And I'll see you back here again tomorrow. Have a great day, Jazz, and everybody, replayer watching. So you are welcome to drop your comment or questions. See you back again here. Bye.